Are you sick and tired of your jets getting clogged? Especially for you portable guys that have really small orifices like #1 jets on your wands. A lot of times we get complaints about how fast they get clogged. They don't know how to unclog them, or they're sticking stuff in the jets and it ends up making the hole too big or ruining the spray pattern. We have an easy fix for you. It's called an inline filter. And you're actually able to just put it in line between the valve itself and the quick connect. And now, rather than having to get into your jets to clean them, when you take this piece off, you've got a screen filter in here that's easily sprayed off. Put it back in, reinstall, put your quick connect back on, and problem solved. And that way it prevents you from having to take your jets on and off all the time.